Parasites could be living inside you right now. These tiny invaders might be feeding off your body, multiplying, and potentially making you sick without you even knowing it. But don't panic. Today, we're exploring powerful natural remedies that have been traditionally used to combat these unwanted guests. By the end of this video, we'll reveal a controversial herb that's been used for centuries in some cultures to address parasitic infections. It's so potent that some countries have restricted its use. But first, let's dive into the world of parasites and the natural remedies often recommended to fight them. Parasitic infections are more common than many people realize. They affect millions worldwide, potentially causing a range of symptoms from digestive issues to fatigue and even mental health problems. The concerning part? Many individuals might be unaware they're affected. Let's start with a common kitchen ingredient, garlic. It's often touted for its antiparasitic properties. Its active compound, allicin, is believed to be effective against a wide range of parasites. Some natural health practitioners recommend eating 2 to 3 cloves of raw garlic daily or taking a high-quality garlic supplement. Next up are pumpkin seeds. These seeds contain cucurbitacin, a compound that some studies suggest may paralyze certain types of worms. Traditional use involves eating a handful of raw pumpkin seeds daily or grinding them and mixing with water. Now, let's talk about papaya seeds. These often discarded seeds contain enzymes that some believe can break down parasite proteins. A common recommendation is to blend a tablespoon of papaya seeds with honey and consume daily for a month. Be warned, it's quite bitter. Moving on to herbs, wormwood is frequently mentioned in traditional medicine. It contains sesquiterpene lactones, which some studies indicate may be toxic to many parasites. It's often taken as a tea or in supplement form, but caution is advised as it can be strong. Another herb often discussed is black walnut. Its active compound, juglone, is believed by some to be effective against parasites. It's frequently combined with wormwood in traditional remedies. Tincture form is often recommended for those who choose to use it. Clove is next on our list. Beyond its culinary uses, some natural health advocates praise its potential antiparasitic properties. Its main compound, eugenol, is thought to affect parasitic eggs. Adding clove to cooking or taking it as a supplement are common suggestions. Probiotics, while not directly antiparasitic, are often recommended to support gut health. The theory is that they help create an environment in your gut that's less hospitable to parasites. Some practitioners suggest consuming fermented foods or taking a high-quality probiotic supplement daily. Coconut oil is another natural remedy often mentioned. Its medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, are believed by some to have antimicrobial properties. A common recommendation is to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil daily. Ginger and turmeric are 2 spices often praised for their potential health benefits, including possible antiparasitic properties. Drinking ginger tea, adding fresh ginger or turmeric to meals, or taking them as supplements are common suggestions. Now, for the controversial herb we promised, Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plant. This herb has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to address parasitic infections. Its seeds contain compounds that some believe can affect various parasites. However, it's so potent that some countries have restricted its use due to environmental concerns. For those considering Mimosa pudica, it's often recommended to take the seed powder or capsules on an empty stomach. Starting with a small dose and gradually increasing is usually advised, as it can cause digestive upset in some people. Remember, while these natural remedies are often discussed in relation to parasites, they're not a substitute for medical treatment if you have a severe parasitic infection. Always consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment if you suspect you have parasites. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.